OSCAR TV here in Victory Lane with George Wilson, who gets his first victory of the 2012 season. And George, a great battle up front with Glenn Watson until you pulled away there with about 20 laps to go. The car looked like it was an absolute rocket on the high side tonight.
It was working good. I think there's some of the guys may have slowed down with a couple of pushes and that, and we maintained our speed. I could still cut through the corner, so it made us look like we were really flying. But all we were was maintaining our speed, and we got away from them a little bit. And we're happy to get this win finally, and it's for Lucy.
Now, the second time in 2 weeks that we've seen a driver pick the high side on a bunch of restarts. And what was the secret to the high line being that much quicker than the bottom tonight?
Actually, I seen Glenn on the first restart. He was shoving up a little bit, and when I got by him, and I thought if I can hold him down to the bottom, he won't be able to get up off the corner with me. And I decided to take the outside and hold him down to the bottom in the bottom groove. And we battled. We touched a little bit. He didn't turn me. I would have did the same to him. I would have battled for that position. And good hard racing and clean. And he settled in for second. I'm sure he hoping I would go away, but we managed our tires properly and we did well.
You mentioned that you guys kind of beat and banged there a little bit, but nonetheless still clean racing. But on the surface, it looked like you guys were giving each other a pretty good run for your money.
Oh yeah, we're racing hard. There's no give or take, but you got to respect each other. And he didn't drive it in and bounce off my door and send me up into the wall or anything. And I didn't drive him into the grass. But we did battle. We battled. There's some tire marks on the door, which it's cool. He didn't smash me. They're just rub marks, and I can deal with that.
The next points event is at Mosport Speedway. Another couple of weeks, or I should say the Canadian Tire Motorsports Park. I'm not sure exactly what your experience is on that track, or what you guys are looking at going forward.
We've raced there once, I believe. We've been there, and we finished third with one of our backup cars back when we were having issues with motors. And I look forward to it. The 77, if it can cut like I think it can on that bumpy track, we might be all right.
I know you guys couldn't be here making that long haul from the Soo each and every week without help of a lot of your sponsors.
Oh, I want to thank Port City Race Cars. They gave me this brand new race car right out of their house, and it's given me the opportunity to show the motor and the transmission from Marolo Racing Engines. And I got Let the Fur Fly Pet Saloon back in Barrie, who's jumped on board with us, which is nice. We can always use more sponsors. I got Union Cab, which my father and myself own, which supports the car quite a bit. And my dad's the backbone of this car, and I can't thank my crew enough with the guys all coming, and if I name them, I'd forget them. So they know who they are. They're pretty happy.
Well, congratulations once again, and best of luck to you in a couple of weeks' time when we see you at Canadian Tire Motorsports Park.
Godspeed, Lucy.
OSCAR TV signing off here at the Sauble Speedway. George Wilson wins round number 4 on the OSCAR Super Late Model Tour.